Hi guys, and welcome to another video. For those who are new here, hi. My name is Guadalupe and I am a flight attendant for a domestic carrier. I do videos on a day in the life of a flight attendant. I also do fashion videos and some haul videos. I'm actually planning on doing a Valentine's Day outfit video. Si les gusta the idea, leave it down in the comments. Some OOTDs for Valentine's Day. But ahorita I am starting a 4-day trip. We are doing the red eye to New York tonight. I actually just got back from vacation last night, so a ver cómo me va. We're landing at 6 in the morning in Newark. And yeah, 24-hour rest. And then the next day we go to Sacramento, and I'm gonna take you guys along with me on this 4-day trip. We have made it to Newark. They actually ended up switching our hotel because they are predicting a snowstorm this weekend. Just cambiaron to the short stay hotel, which is closer to the airport, which is kind of annoying because we do have 24 hours here, and I was really looking forward to going to the Whole Foods near the other hotel, and they have a bigger gym, but what can you do? Don't really have any plans on leaving the hotel. I didn't really bring clothes to go out in 10-degree weather. The flight was pretty unproductive. There wasn't too much drama. We did have a few passengers who were being pretty loud and obnoxious for it being a red-eye flight. They were a little intoxicated, and you could hear them from first class, and they weren't even sitting in first class cabin. So I did have a few complaints from some of my first class passengers. But other than that, pretty uneventful flight. I am super tired. I think I am going to call it a night, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Nos acaban de cambiar, and we're actually deadheading to Seattle tonight at 7. I think the flight is at 7:30. Our van is at 6:40. It is currently 6:20. I'm gonna go downstairs early to grab some food. But this 24-hour layover quickly turned into a 12-hour layover. Because of the snowstorms, I think they have pre-canceled flights. All of the other airlines I saw on the internet, American had pre-canceled like 15 flights for tomorrow. So yeah, I got a decent amount of rest, but this layover quickly turned into a rushed one. I was barely able to shower ahorita. Tengo mi pelo todo mojado. We're gonna be deadheading to Seattle, which will be nice because again, a deadhead means you fly as a passenger and you are not operating the flight. Alright, we are on the plane, and I got a full row to myself, which is nice because I think it's gonna be like a 6-hour flight. So as you guys can tell that there's ice on the wings, which means we are going to get de-iced before we leave so we can fly safely to Seattle. Alright, you guys, acabamos de llegar. I've just hung up my jacket and my cardigan. It's actually pretty warm in this room, so turn on the air conditioning. Our layover here is actually only 10 hours and 30 minutes, so pretty short. and I took a nap on the flight, which hopefully doesn't mess up my sleep tonight because again, we only have 10 hours here in Seattle, so I should be going to sleep pretty soon. Just have one leg tomorrow to Sacramento, which is gonna be super easy and quick. I'm super excited that we are continuing on our original trip because in Sacramento, I had plans already to meet with un amigo and to do a little bit of shopping. I kind of wanted to go thrifting. I wanted to take you guys with me, but yeah, ahorita me voy a cambiar into my robe. This room comes with a robe. So I'm gonna put on this little robe. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Alright guys, ya arregladita, day 3 of this 4-day trip. I got pretty decent sleep last night. Today is a quick day, just one little flight over to Sacramento. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm excited to get a sack because I have plans already. Ya tengo mis bolsitas listas. I'm gonna grab my coat and head on out. I'm just wearing my sports attire. Didn't really bring anything fancy on this layover. Taking my protein shake with me because ya me soy muriendo de hambre. What's new? I'm always hungry. But yeah, I'm about to go to the thrift store and I think mi amigo me va a recoger from the thrift store once I'm done so I can leave all my tilichero in his car and then go out for drinks with him and his girlfriend. So I'll take you guys to the thrift store with me. A ver qué encontramos. The damage is done.
Thank you, Liz. You too.
Alright, so I just got back from thrifting and from meeting up with my friends for some drinks and some food. I just realized I didn't really vlog when I was thrifting. I was kind of in a hurry because I told my friend that we were gonna meet up after thrifting, so I didn't want to take too long thrifting since he was gonna pick me up. So I do apologize, but I'm gonna show you guys a quick little thrift haul on the items that I got. So if you are a flight attendant, definitely hit up your thrift store. I always find brand new pantyhose, stockings, and they're always sold for very inexpensive prices. And sometimes they throw 2 or 3 pairs in una bolsita and they're like $2 or $3 for the bolsita. That's 3 or 4 pairs. So I think this whole bolsa is pantyhose. If you are a flight attendant or wear pantyhose for work, you know that they tear very easily, especially if you have long nails. The nails always dig into them. Mine always tear because of my nails or because I wear rings, and so they always snag on my rings. But I'll show you guys really quickly. So like I mentioned, they come in a pack. This one has 2 and this one $2 for 2. They have all sorts of brands. These are in navy. I can wear navy with our uniform piece. These are the brand that just my size, and these are in the color navy. And then I have the suntan, and these come in a 4-pack. So this is a total of 8. for $3.98. So I'm not gonna bore you guys, but basically I bought the whole store. I bought a whole bunch. And like you guys can tell, they're clearly in the package, they're unused. So definitely check out your thrift store. Do not sleep on that. This little purse, which is 9 West. And the inside is pretty clean, I'll show you guys. Has like a built-in wallet. I bought this sweater dress. I don't know the brand. It was $1. Has a turtleneck, short cap looking sleeve, mini. So this was in the maternity section, but it doesn't really look like maternity wear. It's this long sweater dress. I'll try it on and see. I also bought this blouse by Vince Camuto. This green floral sheer blouse. I bought this blouse. Love Stitch is the brand. And I love the flounce detail on the sleeves. These are aerosol heels. They're kind of like a dusty pink with a, looks about like a 2.5-inch heel. And that is what I bought at the thrift store. Yes, on las ocho. Our van is picking us up at 5:20, I believe. I have to go to sleep soon. Caught an early night. The good thing is we get in by noon tomorrow. Back to base, back to San Francisco. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Buenos dias. It is currently 5:09 in the morning. No me quería levantar. I had set my alarm at 4:30 and it was really hard to get up, but today is go home day. We are doing 2 flights today. Sacramento to Seattle, and then Seattle to San Francisco. So pretty easy day. I'm gonna get to see my nephew when I get home, so pretty excited. So let's put on our pieces. Alright guys, so this is the flight attendant panel. Y aquí we control the cabin lights. So right now we are gonna board. So we'll do boarding to planning day with the reading lights on. This also shows me when the doors are disarmed, exit rows. The L1 door is open, currently open. Temperature in the cabin. They just turned on the APU, so right now it's super cold. Pero I think it is set at 72. It's usually around the 70s. What else? We're recording on an Airbus today. This is an A320. Alright you guys, acabo de terminar my 4-day trip. My sister's actually coming to pick me up with my nephew, so I'm super excited. Thank you guys for following me along on my 4-day trip, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye! You want another fish?
No. I'll do that sometimes.
Are you sure?
Hard. Stop and I know.
You sure?
It would be